Welcome back to your daily dose of discovery. Let's unravel today's intriguing question.
Deep breathing exercises and prenatal yoga boost fetal heartbeat and viability by reducing maternal stress. They improve blood flow to the placenta, delivering more oxygen and nutrients to the baby. Guided meditation lowers cortisol levels, creating a calmer environment for fetal development. Gentle relaxation techniques during pregnancy support both mother and baby's health effectively.
Your daily dose of discovery ends here, but the journey of learning never stops. Subscribe and join us again for more answers tomorrow.